What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a very quick unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro in black titanium. Now as you can see, we have the wallpaper and the iPhone on the box here, and the box is still the same dimension as previous years, which means you don't get a wall brick or earphones inside the box. I do personally miss the black iPhone Pro boxes, but these ones are good as well, and similarly you don't get any plastic wrap on them, so you have the tab at the bottom and one on the top to pull them apart, and you can easily open the box. Now Apple is also putting these security labels on the box, which are only visible under a UV light, which sort of validates the authenticity of your iPhone. But once you open the box up, right in there you have the 15 Pro in black titanium. Now I have to say this looks quite similar to last year's graphite color, and I'll say it's a bit touch lighter, but other than that, it's very similar. Now inside the box you get the brand new USB-C to USB-C braided cable, which of course is new for this year, and you get the good old SIM card tray, your documentation, and the Apple stickers. And that's pretty much all you get inside the box. You'll probably have to buy a USB-C wall brick adapter if you don't have one at the moment to sort of support the cable. But the iPhone here, I'll have to say it's much lighter than last year. You can definitely feel that difference right away because of the titanium frame. And I've also seen that this titanium frame is attracting a lot of fingerprints and sort of turning into this greasy discolored color. So I'll be making a video on that, so stay tuned for that one. But the other difference I can feel apart from that action button is the display itself. It sort of curves around the edges a little bit. You can definitely feel once you run your hand through it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now stay tuned for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro because a lot of stuff is coming really soon. But that is pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned for more. Peace.